In this video, I will show you how to enable YouTube comments. So let's get started. First, go to youtube.com and log in to your account. Now click your profile image located at the top right side. From here, click YouTube Studio. Once you are on YouTube Studio, click Settings on left panel. On Settings pop-up, click Channel. Now go to Advanced Settings and here you will find an option. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Just select no option. When you set this option as no, YouTube considers your channel made for mature audience and will not restrict comments on videos. Next, click community option on left side. Now go to defaults. And here there is an option comments on your channel. Just select the option on. Note that this settings is applicable to new videos and community posts. Existing videos and community posts will not be affected. So that is how you can enable YouTube comments. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.